What if a gadget that costs just a few dollars could make cooking dramatically easier for a parent or grandparent? Today we're revealing 30 affordable Amazon kitchen finds that families are quietly falling in love with. And some of these are so clever and unexpected that once you see them, add a touch of style and precision to your kitchen with the SMEG Contemporary Digital Kitchen Scale with removable bowl, Jade. Featuring a sleek retro-inspired design, an easy-to-read digital display, and a removable stainless steel bowl for effortless mixing and cleaning, it delivers accurate measurements for baking, cooking, and meal prep. Beautiful, functional, and built to elevate your countertop. All for just $160. Simplify kitchen cleanup with the Magnetic Drainage Filter Basket 2.0 design. This magnetic corner basket catches food scraps, rinses produce with ease, and features a twist-open bottom for quick disposal, keeping your sink cleaner and more organized. All for just $22. Take control of your nutrition with the Smart Food Kitchen Scale with Nutritional Calculator. Featuring ultra-precise 0.1g measurements, a built-in timer, and a free app that tracks 27 nutrients, this smart scale helps you monitor portions, calories, and macros with ease. Perfect for weight loss, meal prep, and healthy living, it measures up to 11 pounds per 5 kilograms in grams or ounces. All for just $35. Serve perfectly cooked tapioca pearls every time with the Want Join Boba Maker Machine Commercial Boba Cooker. Designed for milk tea shops, restaurants, dessert stores, and bars, this commercial-grade cooker delivers efficient, consistent boba preparation with easy operation and reliable performance. Built to handle daily business demands, it helps you save time while keeping every drink fresh and delicious. All for just $96. Make perfect omelets in minutes with the LiQ Microwave Omelet Maker. Crafted from 100% platinum silicone, this microwave cooker lets you steam fluffy, delicious omelets quickly without the mess of traditional cooking. Dishwasher safe, freezer safe, and heat resistant, it's easy to use, easy to clean, and even includes recipe ideas to inspire your next meal. All for just $21. Enjoy authentic grilling anywhere with the Korean Barbecue Grill Charcoal. This 13.7-inch stainless steel charcoal grill is compact, portable, and perfect for Korean barbecue, camping, outdoor gatherings, or tabletop cooking with family and friends. All for just $40. Keep your sink area neat and organized with the OXO Good Grips stainless steel sink caddy. Featuring durable stainless steel construction and smart storage for sponges, brushes, and soap, it helps reduce clutter while keeping essentials within easy reach. All for just $20. Enjoy endless cooking possibilities with the versatile 2-in-1 hot pot and griddle cooker. Perfect for frying, grilling, boiling, and roasting, this all-in-one appliance features a durable die-cast aluminum body, eco-friendly non-stick coating, and powerful 1200W fast heating for delicious meals with less mess. Designed with safe insulated operation, a tempered glass lid, and compact plug-and-play convenience, it's the perfect addition to any kitchen. All for just $254. Keep your sink spotless with the sponge holder with handle 2-in-1 magnetic sponge caddy. Featuring a strong magnetic design, self-draining base, hanging loop, and flexible wall mount or countertop installation, it keeps sponges dry, organized, and within reach. All for just $10. Cook big, delicious meals with ease using the 6-quart electric skillet hot pot. Featuring a non-stick PFOA-free ceramic coating, powerful 1600W heating, built-in timer, and 3 adjustable power settings, it's perfect for steak, eggs, ramen, soups, and more. Fast, versatile, and easy to clean, all for just $76. Boost your drink business with the Want Join Cup Sealer Machine. This fully automatic sealer handles 500 to 600 cups per hour, features a digital control panel, and delivers fast, leak-proof sealing for bubble tea, coffee, and more, perfect for busy shops, all for just $410. Shred meat in seconds with the Chicken Shredder Tool Twist, the fast and easy way to prepare chicken, pork, or beef for tacos, sandwiches, salads, and more. Simply place the meat inside and twist for perfectly shredded results every time. BPA-free, durable, and super easy to clean, all for just $7. Power through stubborn grill grime with the electric grill brush cleaner. Featuring high-torque bristle-free cleaning, a rechargeable cordless design, built-in LED light, splash guard, and scraper, it makes grill maintenance faster, safer, and easier than ever. All for just $46. Transform your kitchen with the smart IMD multifunction auto dough food processor. Featuring a powerful 1700W motor, 2L capacity, Wi-Fi and app control, plus access to over 300 built-in recipes, this all-in-one machine can mix, knead, steam, cook, blend, and more with precision temperature and 10-speed control. Complete with multiple accessories, LCD display, and advanced safety protection, it's the ultimate smart cooking assistant. All for just $1,099. Cook healthier and tastier meals with the Aosian 6-quart 2-tier steamer pot. Featuring a non-stick ceramic coating, spacious 2-tier design, and included ladle, it's perfect for steaming vegetables, dumplings, soups, and stews with ease. Oven and dishwasher safe for simple cooking and cleanup. All for just $50. Quick, compact, and perfect for everyday meals. The Dezen Hot Pot Electric 2L Non-Stick Sauté Pan makes cooking easy anywhere. With adjustable power settings, rapid heating, and a non-stick design, it's ideal for ramen, steak, eggs, fried rice, soup, and more. Perfect for college dorms or small spaces, this portable cooker delivers convenience for just $33. Make breakfast faster and more fun with the Dash Multi-Mini Waffle Maker. Designed to cook 4 delicious mini waffles at once for the whole family. Featuring dual non-stick heating plates, a fast heating system, and an easy-release surface, it delivers perfect waffles every time with quick cleanup. Compact, stylish, and perfect for busy mornings. All for just $39. Power up your kitchen with the versatile TechWood 7.5-quart 2-in-1 electric skillet multi-cooker. Featuring a spacious 7.5-quart capacity, 5 adjustable heat settings, and a removable non-stick skillet pan and cooking pot, it's perfect for frying, simmering, steaming, and more. With powerful 1500W heating and dishwasher-safe parts, cooking and cleanup are effortless. All for just $87. Grill, press, and toast with ease using the OSTBA Panini Press Grill, just $40. With adjustable temperature control and 1200W power, it cooks sandwiches, meats, and more to perfection. The 180 degrees open design gives you extra grilling space, while non-stick plates and a drip tray make cleanup quick and simple. Perfect for fast, delicious meals at home. Cook and grill with less mess using this 2-in-1 oil brush bottle. Featuring a silicone brush head and durable borosilicate glass dispenser, it lets you brush and store oil in one handy tool. The leak-proof, no-drip design is perfect for BBQs, camping, and everyday cooking. Convenient, stylish, and only $14, a must-have kitchen gadget. Cook, grill, steam, and enjoy all your favorite meals with the N73 SNA Hot Pot Electric Non-Stick Multi-Cooker. This 2.5-quart portable cooker features a non-stick, PFOA-free design with adjustable power settings for everything from ramen and soup to steak and fried rice. Compact yet powerful, it's the perfect all-in-one kitchen companion for quick and delicious meals. All for just $100. Cook smarter with the Cosori Iconic 6.5 QT Smart Air Fryer. Featuring PFAS-free ceramic coating and temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it delivers crispy, consistent results every time. With multiple functions, air fry, roast, bake, dry proof, and reheat, plus a dishwasher-safe basket, it makes healthy, hassle-free cooking easy. Make perfect rice, grains, and oatmeal effortlessly with the Green Life Ceramic Non-Stick Rice Cooker. Featuring a removable PFAS-free ceramic non-stick pot, one-switch operation, and automatic keep-warm function, this compact cooker delivers easy, mess-free meals every time. Perfect for small kitchens and quick cooking. All for just $40. Handle hot dishes safely and easily with the Soliter plate gripper set. Perfect for instant pot accessories, air fryer pans, steamers, microwaves, and toaster ovens. These handy grippers help you lift hot plates and bowls without burns or spills. Durable, easy to use, and great for everyday cooking, this convenient 2-pack is a smart kitchen essential for just $20. Upgrade your baking game with the wooden rolling pin 17.6-inch. Crafted from durable beech wood with smooth rotating ergonomic handles for effortless rolling. Perfect for pizza, pastries, bread, and cookies, this classic dough roller gives you even results every time. And at just $8, it's a must-have kitchen essential for every home baker. Make perfect homemade pizza with the aluminum metal pizza peel with rocker cutter. Featuring a durable 12-inch by 14-inch aluminum pizza peel, a sharp 14-inch rocker cutter, and a foldable wooden handle for easy storage. Perfect for indoor and outdoor ovens, this all-in-one pizza tool set helps you slide, serve, and slice like a pro. Grab this must-have pizza accessory for just $20. Upgrade your breakfast game with the Martha Stewart rotating waffle maker. Designed for perfectly golden, fluffy waffles every time. Its 180 degrees flip ensures even cooking, while PFAS-free non-stick plates make cleanup effortless. With an adjustable timer, ready light, and space-saving design, it's both smart and stylish. Grab this sleek stainless steel waffle maker for just $60. Enjoy crispy, grilled flavor straight from your microwave with this microwave grill pan with lid. Perfect for browning meats, crisping sandwiches, and grilling vegetables, it delivers fast, even cooking without a stovetop. The multi-use griddle and crisper tray design makes meals quick, easy, and delicious. Convenient microwave-safe cookware for just $40. Prep fresh meals in seconds with the Genacook salad chopper with bowl. Featuring a large 8.5-cup glass bowl, this handy food chopper makes chopping salads, onions, vegetables, and more quick and effortless. BPA-free, dishwasher-safe, and designed for easy meal prep, it's the perfect kitchen tool for busy cooks. All for just $20. Make movie night snacks fast and fun with the Elite Gourmet EPM 330M automatic stirring popcorn maker. This 12-cup popcorn maker features automatic stirring for evenly popped kernels, a built-in reversible serving bowl, and a handy measuring cap for perfect portions every time. Safe, easy to use, and perfect for home parties and kids. All in a stylish mint design for just $26. Make fun, mess-free sandwiches in seconds with the 3-in-1 Uncrustable Sandwich Maker. Featuring heart, circle, and square shapes, it easily seals and cuts perfect crustless sandwiches for kids' lunches, breakfasts, and snacks. BPA-free, simple to use, and easy to clean, all for just $19. Make fresh homemade pasta easily with the Sail Novo 3-in-1 Pasta Maker machine. Featuring 9 adjustable thickness settings and dual cutters for spaghetti, fettuccine, and lasagna, it lets you create restaurant-style pasta at home. Durable stainless steel design, smooth rolling, and easy control, all for just $50. Keep your microwave clean and your food perfectly heated with this upgraded microwave splatter cover. Designed with a built-in water steamer, it helps retain moisture while preventing messy splatters. The integrated handle makes it easy to lift, and the 10-inch size fits most plates and bowls. Durable, convenient, and a must-have kitchen essential for just $21. Keep your kitchen fresh and smoke-free with the stylish Airhood portable kitchen exhaust fan. Featuring activated charcoal air filters, a stainless steel oil filter, and a compact portable design, it's perfect for indoor cooktops, apartments, and small kitchens. Easy to clean and powerful enough to reduce smoke and odors fast. All for just $120. Slice, chop, and prep like a pro with the Supmakin Safe Mandolin Slicer. Designed for safety and convenience, this versatile kitchen tool features adjustable thickness settings for perfectly sliced potatoes, vegetables, and more. Fast, efficient, and easy to use, it makes meal prep a breeze. All for just $40. Keep your food at the perfect temperature with the double-walled stainless steel insulated serving bowl. Featuring double-walled stainless steel insulation and a leak-proof lid, it keeps hot dishes warm and cold foods chilled for hours. Perfect for holidays, parties, picnics, and camping, this stylish 2-quart serving bowl combines convenience and performance, all for just $60. Upgrade your kitchen with the premium Ravati RVH 82-22-33-inch undermount workstation kitchen sink. Crafted from durable 16-gauge stainless steel, this spacious single-bowl sink features a built-in workstation design with a cutting board and handy accessories for efficient meal prep and cleanup. The brushed finish helps hide scratches while adding a sleek modern look, combining style, durability, and functionality for just $649. Slice with precision and ease using the Homemader electric knife. Perfect for carving turkey, meats, bread, and more, it features an ergonomic handle, dual stainless steel reciprocating blades, and a serving fork for effortless cutting. With a long 6-foot cord for added convenience, it's a must-have kitchen tool for just $50. Make mealtime easier with the Sturmax Plus 7.5-quart digital multi-cooker. Featuring a built-in automatic paddle that stirs and shreds for you, this 9-in-1 programmable cooker can sauté, sear, brown, and simmer with minimal effort. Its large 7.5-quart capacity, included accessories, and cookbook make it the perfect all-in-one kitchen companion. Just $85. Serve in style with the Also Go chafing dishes for buffet. This elegant 4-pack set features large 9-quart capacity trays, stunning gold finishes, and includes 4 serving tongs to keep food warm and presentation flawless. Perfect for weddings, banquets, parties, and family gatherings. All for just $122. Enjoy fast, healthy, and hassle-free cooking with the Ceramax Electric Hot Pot 1.5L. This versatile 1.5L electric skillet features a premium non-stick ceramic coating, BPA-free non-toxic construction, and a convenient steamer with lid, making it perfect for ramen, soups, eggs, steaks, vegetables, and more. Heating up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit in just 4 minutes, it delivers quick meals wherever you are, whether in a dorm, office, RV, or on the go. Compact, portable, and incredibly easy to clean. All for just $40. Cook, grill, and serve all with one appliance using the Aroma Housewares ASP 137B3 in 1 super pot. Featuring a versatile 3-in-1 design, a spacious 3-quart capacity, and a removable grill plate, it's perfect for soups, noodles, hot pots, stir-fries, and grilling your favorite foods. Compact, convenient, and easy to use, all for just $40. Cook, strain, and fry with ease using the Aosian 6-quart stainless steel stock pot. Featuring a durable stainless steel design, built-in strainer lid, deep fryer basket, and a spacious 6-quart capacity, it's perfect for pasta, soups, stews, and crispy fried favorites. Compatible with all stovetops and oven-safe for maximum versatility. All for just $37. Turn your kitchen into a full indoor barbecue station with the XHJ4-in-1 electric indoor grill smokeless. Featuring a smokeless grill, sizzling grill pan, auto-rotating kebab skewers, and a hot dog roller, this all-in-one cooker lets you prepare multiple favorites at the same time. With dual-zone cooking, a convenient lid, and removable cooking surfaces for easy cleanup, it's perfect for family meals and entertaining guests. All for just $100.